Isa sa matagal ng isyong bumabalot sa Cam John-Hay ay kung sino nga ba ang dapat mamahala. Pero sa inilabas sa resolusyon ng Korte Suprema, Oktubre noong 22 ngayong taon, pinagtibay muli nito ang naging desisyon noong Abril. Dito, nagtapos ang 11 taong isyu sa pagitan ng Basis Conversion and Development Authority at Cam John-Hay Development Corporation. Sa inilabas sa resolusyon ng Korte Suprema, nilinaw nito na final and executory ang inilabas silang desisyon at hindi na sila tatanggap ng anumang apela tungkol dito. Dahil dito, napawalang bisa ang 1996 John-Hay Lease Agreement kung saan kailangang ipasakamay ng Cam John-Hay Development Corporation ang pamamahala sa 247 ektaryang lupain sa BCDA. Kapalit niyan ang pagbibigay ng pamahalaan ng 1.42 billion pesos na halaga ng investment sa CGH DevCo. 3 buwan matapos mailabas ang resolusyon ng Korte Suprema, nagbigay ng pahayag ang pamunuan ng 2 malalaking hotel sa loob ng Cam John-Hay.
Are we going to turn over all the improvements inside John-Hay free from any tenants? Yes, we are going to turn over all of those that are under our control. No, this includes the hotel and no. The decision did not make mention about the hotels, the other establishments, the private cottages there. No mention was made on that. They should have clarified that. Because the lawyers of DevCo were of the impression that they can turn over only those that are under their control. You cannot turn over something that you do not own. We do hope that the board of directors who have initially had a talk with the members of the board of the Cam John-Hay Development Corporation were in agreement already as to how the transition would come into effect. Walang madi-displace. Yung mga employees natin will have to stay kasi they'll have to consider that. The Cam John-Hay Manor and the Forest Lands is a separate and distinct entity, not under DevCo. The decision of the Philippine Dispute Resolution Center is between BCDA and DevCo. And under the law, the Supreme Court had on several occasions rendered decisions that strangers to a case are not bound by the decision.
Sa inaasang negosasyon sa pagitan ng BCDA at Cam John-Hay DevCo, panalangin nila'y maging mapayapa ang pagbabago sa pamamahala at hindi maapektuhan ang kanilang mga empleyado.
I only have one prayer, that everything goes smooth and there will be a smooth transition when the BCDA takes over the management of the whole camp. That's the only prayer I have. And second, that our employees are not affected by that decision, that their employment will continue with Cam John-Hay for both hotels. I think I cannot ask for more.
Nauna namang inihayag ni BCDA President at CEO Joshua M. Bincang na dapat walang ikatakot ang kanilang mga partners sa loob ng Cam John-Hay. Inihayag din ito na handa sila para sa mga nais pumirma ng kontrata sa mga pag-aaring nasa loob ng Cam John-Hay. Dagdag pa niya na mas bubuti pa ang kanilang kalagayan kasunod yan ng ceremonial signing ng una nitong partner sa loob ng Cam John-Hay na Lemonade Hotel. Jose Robert Inventor para sa Luzon Headline.